Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to write ad copies for Facebook ads for your clinic. So this is a prompt that I have prepared for you, so you don't have to, write down your own version of it. What this basically does is, if you already are familiar with ChatGPT, it's an AI algorithm, or it's an AI software that writes content for you and does all sorts of stuff. But in this case, we are just going to stick with writing content. So if you just go to chatgpt.com, if you're not logged in, it's going to ask you to create a free account. It's totally free for now. You can go ahead and create a free account, and this is what we're going to use to write our ad copy. And by the way, this is going to appear on top of the image on your ad, right? This is the actual post, the Facebook post we are going to write through this software that's called ChatGPT. I'm sure you're familiar, but those who are not familiar yet, this is for them. So what we need to do in this case is we just need to copy this whole thing. Go ahead, log into ChatGPT, and it's going to bring us here. It's going to ask us to write a message. So I'll just type this in. So let's say I need 5 ad copies for my clinic, and then give it a clinic name. So I'm going to say awesome stem cells. Your version will have your own clinic's name. We provide stem cell therapy for joint pain. In your case, if it's chiropractor, you're going to say chiropractic adjustments. If it's dermatology, it's going to have its own thing. If it's pain management, it's going to have its own thing. So, stuff like that. Our offer is, so what's our offer? You need to write down the offer. So in this case, in this example, I'm just making things up in this case. I'm just saying, get a $350 worth evaluation for $100. Instruction: try to be descriptive, follow the AIDA method. AIDA is a marketing copywriting method, which is attention, interest, desire, and action. It's a very popular method. Create a specific problem with Chris's issue and how we treated it. So Chris is someone whom I made up in this prompt, who had an issue, and then he came to our clinic, and then he got treatment, and he's relieved now. So that's just my version. You can have your own patient's name here and how we treated it. Don't hesitate writing a long ad copy. Services to promote. So I'm gonna say example, stem cell therapy for joint pain. So I'm just gonna go with the example. Call to action. So the call to action is gonna be book a consultation. Tone, this is the tone. Don't have to do anything with it. Structure, don't have to do anything with it. Just hit enter. And now it's going to go ahead and write 5 ad copies. Remember, we need 5 ad copies to create our campaign. We're going to create one ad, or we can create more ads. But in this example, I'm going to show you how to give Facebook 5 ads. So it, spins it, it runs ads with these ad copies and finds the best performing one. So that's our idea. Here's what it wrote me so far. So if you start reading through this content: is joint pain stopping you from living fully? Imagine every step, every move causing discomfort. That was Chris's life before describing stem cell therapy, stuff like that. And if you read the whole thing, it's gonna totally make sense. In case it doesn't, then you always have the option to copy it, paste it on a document, and then do your own version. Just make some edits to it. Obviously this is AI, so it's not going to be 100% perfect, but I would say it's 90 to 95% perfect all the time. I always use this, and then on top of it, I have my own thing after it does write me the copy. But just copy it, literally the whole thing, and then put it in a document like this. So I'll just put it in this document for now. So that's all I need in terms of the ad copy for now. And in the next video, we will see how we can create images using a software called Canva. Hopefully this was a really easy one. Hopefully the next one will be easy too, and I will see you in the next one.